Strong financial records are essential for a successful startup. As your business grows, good enough bookkeeping won't cut it. You need a solid system in place. And today we'll break down 5 basic bookkeeping tasks every startup should master to stay financially healthy and set yourself up for long-term success. Number 1, send invoices quickly. The sooner you send an invoice, the sooner you get paid. Modern accounting tools can even handle this for you, automatically creating recurring invoices, sending payment reminders to customers, so nothing slips through the cracks. Number 2, pay your bills on time. It's not just about avoiding late fees, but paying on time builds trust with your vendors. It can even lead to better deals or payment terms down the road. Setting up a bill schedule and using software to track due dates makes this a lot easier. Number 3, categorize transactions correctly. Every dollar coming in or going out needs to be recorded in the right place. And this isn't just about clean books, so it gives you a clear, accurate financial reports so you know how your business is really performing. Otherwise, you're just guessing and making decisions in the dark. Number 4, reconcile your accounts. Each month, compare your bank and credit card statements to your records. This helps you catch errors, spot fraud, and make sure your books match to reality. Number 5, run payroll accurately and on time. Paying your team correctly and on schedule is non-negotiable. That means not just wages, but also the taxes, benefits, and other withholdings. Mistakes here can hurt morale and land you in hot water with tax agencies. So these 5 tasks are the foundation of good bookkeeping. Every business handles them in a little differently. Some lean on software, others hire people, and some do a mix of both. The key is finding a system that fits your business and supports your growth. Looking for more small business finance tips? Subscribe to our channel today.